Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to record your PC screen using Camtasia video editing software. Let's go. So the very first thing you want to do is to launch your Camtasia video editing software. Then come to the sidebar right here. Go ahead and click on here. Then you have the option of, and you have different options right there. Go ahead and click on New Camtasia Video Recording. Click on that. Then here you go. You have this particular window pumping up right there. Now you can decide the cost. You can decide which area you want to capture on your Windows PC. So by default, I have this 100% capture of the entire screen on my Windows PC right there. You can decide to click on here and choose custom recording right here. You can decide to record 60 600 by 35 SD. So once you select, it's going to capture the only area you select. You can see some of these grays right here. It means that this is the only area I intended to capture right here. So if I decide to go back and then switch to screen one right here, it's going to capture the whole entire screen. Once you are done with all the settings of the area you want to record, then you can go ahead and choose your external mic if you are using external mic. So you have different options of mic available right there. Choose anyone you are using, and at the same time come back to audio system. Make sure this is turned on right here. Once you are done, go ahead and hit on rec start right here. Click on that, and in a few seconds, at the count of 1, 2, 3, go. So you start recording your PC screen based on the area, whether you choose custom or you choose to record the entire screen. So not like here. So this particular video here is being recorded right here, just like what you see on the screen right here. Okay. So when you are done with whatever you want to record on your screen, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this button right here to allow you to stop recording. Once you stop the recording, it automatically redirects you to Camtasia video editing software, whereby you can start to some of the area you don't want. So just like what you see right there, you can see the software started to load and to take us to the game. So just like what you see right here, it's going to open up like so. So here we can decide to save the file, or better still, we can go ahead and make sure we click on editing Camtasia right here. So click on editing Camtasia, or you can also export the file. Everything depends on you. Now we have the video right here in my Camtasia video. That's it. For more tutorial about how best to use Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you